Good morning. This place looks nice.
Good morning. Welcome.
Thank you.
How can I help you today?
I would like a coffee, but I'm not sure what to choose.
That's okay. Do you like strong coffee or something light?
I prefer something light and smooth.
Then I suggest a latte. It is very popular and easy to drink.
Okay, that sounds good. I would like a latte, please.
Sure. Would you like it hot or cold?
Hot, please.
Would you like sugar?
Just a little.
Anything to eat?
Yes, maybe a sandwich. What do you recommend?
Our chicken sandwich is very good.
Okay, I will take that.
Great choice. Your total is $6.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
I feel a little nervous, but it is okay.
Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time.
I hope you like it.
I already like the place. It feels calm and comfortable.
That's nice to hear.
I am trying to speak more English these days.
That's great. You are doing very well.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
Practice every day and you will improve quickly.
Yes, I will try.
Your coffee will be ready soon.
No problem. I can wait.
Hey! Sorry, I am late.
No problem. I just ordered.
This place looks really nice.
Yes, I like it a lot.
What did you order?
A latte and a chicken sandwich.
Sounds good.
Yes, the staff is also very friendly.
That's important.
I was a little nervous at first
Why?
because I wanted to speak in English.
And now?
Now I feel better. It was not so difficult.
See, practice makes it easy.
Yes, you are right.
I think I will order the same.
Good idea.